I have a confession. It's a secret, okay, between the two of us. I have a new obsession. It's called writing. So I accidentally fell in love with medium.com and I have been writing for 2 months now. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 benefits of writing on medium.com and how Medium has impacted my YouTube journey. Some of you may know that writing is my least favorite thing to do, and as part of YouTube workflow, I usually dedicate 4 to 6 hours of writing in a day. So whether it's writing YouTube descriptions, YouTube scripts, Instagram captions, anything that has got to do with writing, I will fit them in that 4 to 6 hours. 2 months ago, one of my business buddies, Manisha, encouraged me to write on medium.com because she knows how much time I spend on writing, and I write my scripts to the T. Yes, I write my script in full sentences because I'm the type of person, if you give me without script, I will blabber and I will repeat the same point and I will be out of topic. So I signed up for an account and I was amazed and shocked at the same time because I saw a community where everyone is writing in such an extremely versatile way. And this brings me to the first benefit that I want to share with you. Unlike standalone blogs or newsletter, which I feel is a little bit more of like a one-way traffic, Medium is a platform where you post articles or stories as they call it. You get interactions and engagements within the community itself. On top of writing individual stories on my profile, I can also write stories for publications. Publication to me is like newspaper where your stories get featured, reached out to more writers, and when your stories get reached out more, you get more engagements and also reads. This brings me to the second benefit, which is repurposing my scripts on Medium's publications. There are 3 publications that I love on Medium. One is the short form, another is mid form, and illumination. These 3 publications are where I repurpose my YouTube scripts and Instagram captions. Remember, I mentioned earlier on that I write my scripts to the T? Yes, I will copy-paste my YouTube scripts on Medium Stories, and then I will edit it so that it will be article-friendly, and then I will publish it to these publications. What I like about these 3 publications, their editors are really friendly. They read and engage with your stories. They even give words of encouragement when your stories are inspiring. At the same time, in the publication, you also get to read other writers' stories and engage with them. The third benefit is monetization, which then leads to passive income. There are a lot of ways to monetize your blog content, but Medium has a simple and reliable monetization system. However, you need to join the Medium Partner Program to start earning, but the requirements are really easy to meet. I've linked it down in the description below should you want to join Medium as a member. And guess what? I've just earned my first dollar on Medium, and finally, I can buy that Ferrari. Like YouTube videos, Medium stories are evergreen and SEO friendly. The stories that you wrote few months or few years back are searchable, which means there are more opportunities to monetize. So then how does Medium expand my YouTube impact? Medium offers me a platform to establish authority in the space of YouTube and video-related topics. In fact, Medium is the second highest platform that gives me traffic to my YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and like the subscribe button so that you can get more valuable tips and insights. While you wait for my next video, check out this video where you can steal my entire YouTube workflow. You wouldn't want to miss this. See you in the next one. As a YouTube creator and how Medium impacts my YouTube journey. Salah, tapi okay ah. But wait, let me do one more time.